Teresa, and welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. Today we are going to be making mini pies for your Thanksgiving feast. So if you're ready, let's get started. So to make our little mini pie tarts, we're going to have a pack of sugar cookies. This was all what my grocery store had. They did not have the tubes. You can use, either one you want. You're going to need a can of pie filling. I have cherry, and I also have some pumpkin pie filling. And then if you want, you can have the whipped topping for the top. And of course, you're going to need spray for your muffin tin, okay? So you're going to take your muffin tin. We're going to spray it very well with our spray. I'm going to do that off camera. And then I cut some parchment paper to go inside because you don't want the bottom of your cookie sticking. And I've done this a couple times, and that's what I found, is that even with the spray, it was sticking. So I would put a piece of parchment paper in there, okay? So give me a minute. And the reason why we spray it is, one, to make sure the parchment paper sticks, two, so the parchment paper will come out, and three, because you don't want your sides to get stuck. So we're going to put the little parchment paper in, and then we're going to spray this one more time, okay? And they don't have to be perfect circles. Obviously mine are not, but I'm trying to get it as close to it as possible. And try to make sure it's laying as flat as possible. Now we're going to give it one more spray on top of the parchment paper. So it's good and coated, okay? So from there, we'll do the same with this one, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we have all that. Now we're going to take our cookie dough. Again, if you have the slice, just cut it into slices. I have these little balls, and I'm just going to flatten them out with my fingers, and we're just going to pop them in there. Don't worry about making it go up the sides or anything like that. It will take care of that itself whenever it bakes, okay? So again, just flatten it out with your fingers, and just pop it in there. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we just finished the flattening out our sugar cookie dough, and we're going to put this in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes. It will not be completely done. That's fine. We're par baking them. We're trying to get the cookie a little bit done before we fill in the filling, okay? So we'll be right back. Okay, so they're just out of the oven. Again, you can see they're not completely baked. We'll just give them a little press with the spoon. Okay, so now we're going to take our spoon, and we're just going to fill up the middle part. Okay, so now I'm going to put this back in the oven for another 10 minutes at still the 375. Alright guys, here they are. They're right out of the oven. They're very hot. I put them on a wire rack. We're going to give them a few minutes to cool down, and then we'll come back and pop them out of the muffin tins. Okay guys, we're back. It's cool enough to touch. I have a little knife. We're going to go around the edge to loosen it from the muffin pan, even though we spray it, sometimes it still sticks. Alright, so I did get it out. I'm going to peel the little parchment paper off the bottom. Come on now. There we go. And that is our little pie. and then we're going to top with the whipped cream. Okay, so give me a minute. I'm going to continue to take these all out, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So that's our mini pumpkin pie, topped with a little bit of whipped cream, and there you go. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Remember to like, comment, and share. We love seeing your creations. And until next time. Thank you again for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. Remember to like, comment, share. We love seeing your creations. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Remember, you can change out the flavor of any of the recipes and to adjust to your liking. And until next time, bye. Bon appetit.